Hello, happy people! Get ready to level up your English game with our fresh YouTube video. We are diving into the juicy details of Get Up using 10 real conversation that packs a punch. If you're itching to speak like a native speaker and breeze through everyday talks, these videos your golden ticket. Keep watching. 10 real conversation. Don't miss out. Let's conquer this phrasal verb together. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button to get more video like this. So the first meaning of get up is to physically rise from a sitting, lying or sleeping position. So in an example conversation we are, hey, what time do you usually get up in the morning? I usually get up around 7 a.m. How about you? So the second meaning of get up means to organize or to arrange something such as a plan or an event. So in an example conversation, I heard it's Jack's wedding next week. Are we going to do something special? Yeah, I thought we could get up a surprise party for him. Let's start planning. Another meaning of get up is to become upset. An exam conversation. I can't believe how angry he got during the meeting. Yeah, his temper really got up when they criticized his projects. The fourth meaning of get up, to recover from an illness or injury. I heard you were sick last week. How are you feeling now? Much better, thanks. It took a few days, but I finally got up and I'm back to work. The fifth meaning, to gather or collect something, often for a purpose. In an example conversation, we're going to the beach tomorrow. Did you remember to get up some sunscreen? Don't worry, I've already got some up and pack it. The sixth meaning, to stand up against something or resist it. Have you heard about the recent protest? Yes, the citizens are getting up against the government's decision to increase taxes. The seventh meaning, to dress or put on clothes. Are you ready to go? We're running late. Just give me a minute. I need to get myself up and then we can leave. The eighth meaning, to stimulate or motivate someone. I'm feeling really demotivated about my study lately. Come on, Sophia, get up. You can do this. Don't give up now. The ninth meaning, to become established or formed. How's your new bakery doing? It's slowly getting up. We're still building a customer base, but the feedback has been positive. The 10th meaning of get up, to reach a high level or standard. Do you hear about that young musician? They are really talented. Yeah, their career has really gotten up in a short time. Thanks for watching. Up to the next video. Fighting and be happy.